Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about how you can get a universal product code for Amazon. The things that you need to understand are crucial because this is the common denominator that gives you a competitive advantage in the industry. Because whenever you have a UPC, you can ensure that every single product that you sell on Amazon is going to be unique. It is crucial that you get a barcode, and it is crucial that you do it in the right way. And that is the reason why we have made this video today, to ensure that you know the right steps that you need to take to ensure that you'll be able to get the right barcodes for your products. The first thing that you need to do is head over to a website which is called GS1.org. This is one of those websites that can give you what you need. They empower organizations to grow efficiently, helping them transform the way they work and live. The standards enable organizations to identify, capture, and share information smoothly, creating a common language that underpins systems and processes all around the world. So meaning once you get those barcodes and put it on your products, you can ensure that they meet the right standards. The GS1 standards are the most widely used system in the world, and they offer a portfolio of services and tools to make adoption of their own standards easier and more impactful to the business. You have the check digital calculator and who owns the barcode, and obviously you can learn about the GTIN as well. Now obviously, if you need a barcode, you can sell a product that starts with a GS1 barcode number or GTIN. So basically, the GTIN is a very important element over here because it underpins the different elements that you need to ensure that you have the right standards to sell the products. How do you get it? It's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is click on get your barcodes, and when you do that, you'll go to the next page over here where you have the GS1 barcodes that create a common foundation for business by uniquely identifying and capturing the automatically sharing vital information about products, location, assets, and so much more. There are different popular searches as well for the GTIN, for the EN, and also the GLN, which is the identification of parties and location, and also the GPC, which classifies the products by the essential characteristics, with the 2D barcodes encoding more data and web-enabled barcodes, and the SSCC identifying the logistical units. But we're going to go for the GTIN over here, and how you have to do it, it's very simple and straightforward. All you need to do is click on get your barcodes, and once you do that, you'll go to the next page over here where you can sell a product that starts with a GS1 barcode. Now the GS1 barcodes or the GTINs are necessary for most online and traditional retailers such as Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, Google, Carrefour, Tesco's, and even Walmart. Now obviously, the GS1 barcodes are scanned over 6 billion times each day, driving commerce around the globe, and the GS1 is the only official provider of the GS1 GTNs and the ENs and the UPC barcodes globally, and they've been helping companies to identify their products since the very first barcodes were used back in 1973. And when you get your barcodes from GS1, you will always get a peace of mind that your numbers are unique, authentic, and within the GS1 system, so you can do business globally, and a global standard organization that ensures that GS1 barcodes work everywhere in the world. And most of the GS1 offices provide a free online tool that makes it easy to accurately create and manage your product, GTNs, and barcodes. And their support team, and the reason why I love it is because of their support team is here to help you on your journey as your business grows. So if you have any questions whatsoever, they're available 24/7 by phone or even online to help you, to guide you, and to support you. So all you need to do is select the location where you want it. We're going to go for the United States and click on get a barcode. And once you do that, you'll go to the next page where you can get your UPC barcodes from the GS1 US. Whether you're selling in store, online, or both, the right place to turn obviously is GS1 US. Now you can estimate how many barcodes you need, which is crucial. For example, if you have 3 sizes and 3 colors, you need 9 barcodes, meaning if you make a t-shirt but that t-shirt comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, and 3 colors such as blue, pink, and purple, you will need to identify 9 product variations. But if you go for 3 sizes, 3 colors, and 3 styles, you are gonna need 27 barcodes. So if you also come in 3 styles, you'll need 27 barcodes. But if you go for 3 sizes, 3 colors, and 3 styles with 3 packages, you are gonna need 81 barcodes. And if they come in 3 packages, you will add the 81 barcodes. So you can clearly see they've mentioned exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. But if you still need help, you can always click on assess the barcode estimator and to help you in this process. You can always start small with the GS1, and obviously with the barcode barcodes, it's very simple. All you need to do is click on get a GTIN and you'll be able to go to the next page. Now I want to go and speak about something which is crucial, which is the element over here that gives you a complete breakdown of the pricing. For example, you have number of items that are needing a barcode, which is the one GS1 UN GTN. It's going to cost you $30 initial fee with none as renewal fee. But if you go for 10, it's going to cost you $250 with a $50 annual renewal fee. If you go over 10,000, it's going to cost you $6,500 with an annual renewal fee of $1,300. So obviously this is on the expensive side of things, but to ensure that you always have the right product and the barcodes are always unique for your product, this is essential that you get to ensure that you always have the right thing available. Now what to expect is crucial. There are 3 checks that are available over here. The first one is that you select a GS1 US GTIN or a GS1 company prefix and put them in your cart. That provides your contact information and you pay with your W9 form over here. You'll get a welcome email from the GS1 US within minutes. It's going to include all the important information that you would need to get started, including access to the My GS1 US for your online member center. Now, the things that you have to remember over here, which I want to make clear, is that the GS1 US reserves the right to change the pricing on the GS1 company prefixes or the GS1 US GTINs, and in terms and condition of a license agreement, which is subject to change at the GS1 US's sole discretion. And if you need to identify a location, you gotta use the same table for pricing. This is very crucial that you understand. If you have any clarification that you need, you can always comment in the comment section below and I will be more than happy to help you and guide you. Once you have done it, all you need to do is click on get a GTN and it's going to take you to the next page. Now over here, this is where the information is going to come into existence. Once you have done all of that, all you need to do is click on get your GTIN. Once you do that, you'll go to the next page. Now over here, you will have your brand name and your product description, which is crucial that you put in because this is literally the most important thing. And brand name associated with the GTIN barcode would appear with the description in the product, and the brand entered here will be listed as the brand name that is associated with the product in their GTIN registry. Meaning if your product falls under a brand that is different from your company name, make sure to identify the brand name with the product descriptions on the right over here. And there will be a place to provide your company name during the checkout as well. So enter the product description associated with a GTIN barcode that would appear in their database, and the product description helps retailers and marketplaces to know more about your product. So obviously you have to repeat for every GTIN that you want to add to your cart. If you need more than 9 GTNs, you might want to consider a licensing by the GS1 company prefix. And once you have added the desired number of GTNs to your cart, click on the cart over here to the upper right corner. If you'll see over here, you click that and then you'll be able to check it out. But make sure that you provide the full legal name of your company as you complete the checkout process. This is the name of your company that gets registered with the GTIN. So obviously once you've done all of that, you'll be able to check out and get your product into the mainstream. Now guys, there's something you have to consider which is crucial over here. The barcodes are the literally way of identifying globally what your product is and where your product is. So your product does not get copied by anyone. And whenever someone uses that particular barcode, your product is going to show up. There is a common mistake which a lot of young entrepreneurs tend to make, and individuals that do not understand the system, that they put any barcode, they copy it from the internet and they place it and it works. But obviously as you grow, you'll face a lot of problems and a lot of confusions when multiple people will be selling your product. So if you want to ensure that every time your product is sold that you actually get money from it, so you have to get the right naming for that particular product. And the name of the product is literally the barcode of the product, the identification of the product. If your identification is wrong, your product is gonna get lost. You will not be able to claim your product. And that is the reason we have made this video, to ensure that no one makes this mistake and you have the right process in mind and you know exactly step by step what you need to do to identify the products that you sell online or in person. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram, and also on your Twitter, so more people can find out how simple and straightforward it is to get barcodes for your products globally. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.